to Contractor's Point of View. Today we have a special video for you. We want to give a special shout out to Klein Tools for sending us over this hard hat for review. It's one of their new hard hats that come with a built-in space for a headlamp. So they sent us over this one. It's a full brim hard hat. And then I went and picked up this guy. It is the normal ball cap style brim. And I also picked up two of the rechargeable headlamps that also fit on the hard hat. The headlamps themselves come with a strap where you can put it around the hard hat or your head, but it is removable so that you can take it and put it on the hard hat and then also take it and recharge it. The special thing about this headlamp is it's got a light sensor in it. And a lot of times when you're on the construction site, you'll be walking from indoors to outdoors and you'll leave your headlamp on and you'll forget about it. Well, with this sensor, it turns off the headlamp if it senses enough ambient light and that you left it on for more than 3 minutes. So it'll shut it off. Now I don't know yet, I haven't tested them like I said, but I will be checking them out to see if that is annoying and if it shuts it off too soon, because sometimes I still use it for wiring panels when I'm in a well-lit area. I just want to light up the area that I'm on. But it's got a spotlight and then a floodlight, and it's about 200 lumens. That's the rechargeable. And then the one that they sent me comes with the battery powered. It takes 3 AAAs. So let's open this up real quick. Just take a look at this one. And I'm gonna be trying this out when I get back from the holiday break. Well, let's see, how do we open it without breaking something? Aha, there we go. And like I said, I want to thank Klein Tools for sending us out this to take a look at and review so we can get the information to you guys. And most of all, I'm interested in the hard hat and the ability to have the headlamp. Wow, that's a sturdy hard hat. I have one of the fiberglass, and that's all that's in the package. I have one of the fiberglass ones, and this one, oh, I love the texture on this too. It's kind of like a matte finish. Don't know if you can tell that from the video, but the neat thing about the headlamp, and this one does it as well, is it's got a built-in portion to the hard hat that you can put the I can't talk right now. There you can put the headlamp in, and it snaps right on, and it won't fall off. And if you just set your hard hat down for some reason or whatever, throw it in the truck, it's not going to fall off. And the same goes for the rechargeable. It's got the same clip. And so once that's on, boom, you got your headlamp, and it also tilts so that you can have it shine on your work while you're working there. And that's, to me, that's pretty sweet. But the AAA battery one does the same thing. It's got a little bit more of a click to it, but they don't have batteries in this one, obviously, coming right out of the box. But I'm going to try out both headlamps to see how bright they are, see how long they last, and I'll be getting back to you. I just kind of wanted to do a quick unboxing. Oh, another thing about these hard hats, it's super sweet, that some of you will realize something about, is these insides, all this foam, or this padding, is replaceable, and they sell it in packs that you can get like 3-pack or a 5-pack for replacing the insides. And you'll know that if you've had a hard hat at all, that the insides of these can get kind of nasty, especially if you're working in a hot area and you're sweating and things like that. So yeah, this looks like it's going to be nice. So I'm going to try this out. The other thing about the headlamps is it does have the ability to snap on either side. Some people like to wear their hard hat backwards, which it has a thing on both sides. I guess you could carry a spare headlamp on the other side and when it dies you just swap it. But like I said, this guy here is rechargeable. I charged it the other night. It took about 3 hours for it to get the full charge, but I'll be giving that a full test. I just kind of wanted to give them a shout out for sending it to me. Again, this was the hard hat they sent to me for review. This is the one I'll be wearing. This one I bought for one of my other guys, and then I also bought the 2 rechargeable headlamps myself. So this one was the only one that was given to me by Klein. So again, wanted to say thanks to them, and I will let you guys know when I have the full review ready. And until next time, stay safe.